If you tell a dog to do something 10 times and it's taking no notice, you're absolutely wasting your time. The dog doesn't know what you're talking about because you haven't disciplined it to listen to what the command is. If a pup's jumping up on a couch and you tell it not to do it, well, telling it not to do it doesn't mean anything to the dog. You actually have to make it sit down so it doesn't jump on. It's related back to what its mother taught it when it was in a litter of pups. If it was doing something naughty, what did its mother do? She went and at it, growled at it, and the pup lay on its back and, "I'm sorry, Mum." It's a similar sort of thing. You're taking the place of the pup's mother. You need to stop the bad habit then, or that bad habit will be hard to stop. And just do it with trust and understanding. It's part of the friendship and the bonding. It turns into respect between you and the pup.